ingredients. Let's begin. Step 1. Whipping the eggs and sugar. First, we'll mix the eggs and sugar using an electric mixer on medium-high speed until the mixture doubles in size, becomes pale and creamy. This will take about 5 minutes. You'll know it's ready when you lift the whisk and a thick ribbon of the mixture falls back and holds its shape for a few seconds. Step 2. Adding the flour. Now, we'll add the flour in 3 separate batches. For each batch, we'll gently fold it in with a spatula. Be very gentle to avoid deflating all the air we just incorporated. Remember, mixer in the beginning, spatula at the end. Step 3. Baking. Next, we'll pour the batter into a 40 by 25 centimeters baking pan. Then, we'll bake it in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes. It's done when the top is golden or lightly browned, and if you gently press the center, it springs back. The most important thing in this recipe is to whip the eggs and sugar really well until they're thick and pale. And then, avoid overmixing when you add the flour to keep that airy texture. Happy baking! Now for the magic part, the silky Swiss meringue buttercream. We'll make it from scratch, then assemble our beautiful cake. Let's start with our meringue base. We begin by gently combining egg whites and sugar in our heat-proof bowl. Then we place it over a pot of simmering water. This is our double boiler. We'll keep whisking gently but continuously until the mixture reaches about 60 degrees Celsius. If you don't have a thermometer, just rub a little between your fingers. It should feel completely smooth with no sugar grains left. Now for the whipping stage. We remove the bowl from the heat and immediately start whipping with our electric mixer. We'll whip on medium-high speed until we get beautiful, stiff peaks that hold their shape. The meringue should be glossy and the bowl should feel completely cool to the touch. This is crucial for the next step. Time to build our buttercream. With the mixer running on medium speed, we'll add our softened butter one piece at a time, waiting for each piece to incorporate before adding the next. Don't worry if it looks curdled at first, it will come together into a smooth, creamy dream. Finally, we mix in that lovely vanilla extract. Let's bring our cake together. We'll start by brushing each cake layer with simple syrup. This keeps our genoise beautifully moist and adds flavor. Now for the filling. On top of the first moistened layer, we'll spread a generous amount of our strawberry jam. This will be our delicious fruity center. First, the crumb coat. We place the second cake layer on top, then spread a thin layer of buttercream over the entire cake. This is our crumb coat that traps any loose crumbs. Then we'll pop it in the refrigerator for about 15 minutes to firm up. Now for the final coat. Once chilled, we'll apply our final, beautiful layer of buttercream. Smooth it evenly around the sides and top for that perfect finish. For our decorative touches, let's take our remaining buttercream and mix it with the leftover strawberry jam. This creates a lovely swirled effect that's perfect for piping beautiful decorations around our cake. And there you have it, a perfectly assembled and frosted Genoise cake with a hidden strawberry surprise, ready to serve.